guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new here. If you are, my name is jade.monet. Thank you so much for tuning in. I noticed that I do have a couple new subscribers, so I just wanted to take a moment and just say thank you so much for your support. I want to do like a getting to know me video soon, so that might be my next video potentially, so stay tuned for that. Anyway, today I will be showing you guys how I do these cute passion twists. I'm so excited. This is my first time ever doing them, so it was a journey. I'll tell you guys, like, there's definitely a learning curve, but it's not as difficult as you think. So yeah, I'm just gonna jump right into the video. So I'm just gonna show you how I do this. I'm gonna redo this twist because I wanted to do it without a rubber band, but I feel like it's kind of, I don't know, it might be, I just feel like it's not as secure. So I'm gonna redo this one and I'm gonna show you guys how I do it. I guess it was in there okay, but it just didn't feel as secure in my head. This is the section that I'll be working with. I did my parts, I would say medium size. Next time that I do it, I'm definitely interested in trying a no rubber band method. Okay, so I'm gonna give you guys all the details on the hair at the end of the video. I just wanna speed through this part and just show you guys how I actually do the twist. I'm gonna take 2 strands of the twisting hair. Let me see if I can bring you guys closer. I'm going to stick the open hook through, loosen it just a little bit. You can always tighten it later. So, okay, so right now I have the hook through the section. Take your 2 strands. This part's kind of hard, I'm not gonna lie. It's probably what takes the longest time. I think they're both hooked in there. So I'm gonna close the latch and I'm gonna pull through. I'm not gonna pull all the way through because you need to separate them out. So take the other one and pull. Honestly, I feel like this is a realistic portrayal of what this process actually looks like. So just tighten it. So now you have 4 strands and then your hair, and you've split your hair into 2 so you can prepare for the twist. So something that I noticed is that the hair likes to be twisted in a particular way. So I didn't notice until halfway through doing my twist that it's the same way. So I don't know if it's the same for you, but mine all tend to work when they're twisted counterclockwise. That's why sometimes twists look weird or they unravel, because I think it's just like the way that the hair is processed, that it just wants to go one way. I use a gel with a strong hold. So I'm using this Instant Control Edge and Braid gel. I use this for my braids also. And remember, I'm twisting counterclockwise. I don't know if it's gonna be the same for you guys, but that's just the way that this hair likes to be twisted. I use my gel all the way through the top section of the braid, of the twist, because I want it to blend in with my hair. Okay, so once I get past my natural hair, I like to use either a twisting cream, or in this case, a leave-in conditioner, because I couldn't find my twisting cream. Once I get down to the end, I like to just find the other one, the parallel twist on the other side of my head. Just sort of like measure it out. So I'll take this one and this one, and I'm just gonna cut it so that it is sort of the same length. And then what I like to do on the ends is just take some more of that cream and just on the ends just sort of like twist it like this. I know that I'm gonna get some questions about how many twists I have in my head, and like I don't really know, but I'll show you guys the back so that you can see how big the parts are. I did pre-part my entire head prior to even starting the twist, which I think helped make everything just like go by a lot faster. So maybe that might work for you. So this is the hair that I used. I really don't know how to pronounce it. I really don't know how to pronounce it, but this is it right here. I got it off of Amazon, and it came in a pack with 7 packs of hair. I only used, how many did I use? So I only used 3.5 packs. So the color, what is the color of this one? Oh, guys, I might have to put it in the description box. I don't really know what the color is, but I'll leave it in the description box. It was ombre color because the ends are a little bit lighter. And then these ones are 18 inches. So that's the length. I didn't cut them. I only trimmed the straggly ends off. So this is true to length. The hair, along with obviously the packs of hair, it also comes with the crochet needle. So yeah, it all comes ready to go, which I think is cool. I mentioned before that I only use 2 products, and these are the products that I used. The Instant Control Edge and Braid Gel, which I also use for my braids, and I just love this product so much because the hold is so good. And then the Shea Moisture Leave-In Conditioner, and I really only use this because I couldn't find my twisting cream, but I probably would, if you have a twisting cream, to like use that, because I know that I do my twists out. Those are really good for hold. I will say that it took me, I want to say that it took me about 6 hours from start to finish. I feel like next time it won't take as long because there is a little bit of a learning curve, especially using the crochet needle, and like hooking the hair on is a lot more challenging than I thought it would be. But I do think that sectioning out the hair prior to starting the twist just will literally make your life so much easier, because that's the most annoying part about doing your own hair. I really don't know like how long these last or anything like that, so I'll keep you guys updated on, I guess, just the overall longevity of them. You can follow me on my Instagram. It's jade.monet. I'll put it like also right here so you guys can see. And yeah, I'll keep you guys posted about these twists, but right now I'm pretty happy with them. I think they're so cute. If you guys have any suggestions on a more effective way to do them without rubber bands, I'm open to that, and I might try that out next time. So definitely leave a comment in the comment section if you have any tips on that. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I tried to just sort of power through this tutorial, so if you have any other questions, don't hesitate to ask me. Okay, so I want to end this video off just adding some accessories to these twists. My friend has a hair accessory line called Malipa. I believe that's, I'm pronouncing it right, Malipa. And she has the cutest hair accessories for threads, braids, twists, natural hairstyles. Look at how cute this is. I will link all of the information below in the description box so that y'all can get yours too. And I'll also link all of the hair that I used, and as well as all of the products that I used in the description box as well. Yeah, I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Your support means everything to me, seriously. Like, you guys keep me going. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already though. I'm super close to my goal. I think I'm like 20 subscribers away from my goal. I'm hoping to reach my goal by next week, so fingers crossed. It's been a journey, but it's been super rewarding. Stop rambling, but I hope that you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you did, and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. I will catch you guys in my next video.